I'll guide you through the new process of transferring your crypto from Coinbase to your Ledger wallet, focusing on the new Coinbase Pay shortcut and the critical network selection steps that can save you a fortune in fees. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open the Ledger Live app and navigate to the Receive tab. Then select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from Coinbase. Connect your Ledger device and unlock it with your PIN to verify the deposit address physically on the device screen, ensuring it matches the address shown in Ledger Live exactly. Open the Coinbase app or website and select your asset. Then tap the Send button and paste the verified address you just copied from your Ledger. Use the Coinbase Pay integration within the Ledger Live transfer menu if you want to skip the manual copy pasting and link your accounts for a direct one-click withdrawal. Select the correct network on Coinbase, such as choosing the Base network or Polygon instead of Ethereum mainnet to reduce your transaction fees by up to 90%. Review the network fee and the total amount to be sent, keeping in mind that Coinbase often includes a small processing fee on top of the standard blockchain gas cost. Complete a small test transaction first, sending the minimum amount allowed to confirm that you have selected the right network and that the funds arrive safely in your Ledger account. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.